Top 5 Best Air Fryer 2022. Cooking is fun, and it just gets better when you can make tasty things like chicken wings. God, I love chicken wings, but there is a problem with most tasty things when you try to make them. They require a lot of oil, and we all know that we should use as little oil as we can, so it could be a problem sometimes. That's why I suggest using an air fryer. Now the question is which air fryer we should buy. Welcome to Better Choice, and today we are counting down the list of the top 5 best air fryers. All the links to these products will be down in the description, so feel free to check them out. With that note, let's get into it. On number 5, we have Philips Air Fryer XXL HD 9650/96. The Philips XXL Air Fryer HD 9650/96 is this well-known manufacturer's largest model. It can hold up to 6 large servings at once, making it ideal for families or anybody who enjoys cooking in bulk. Philips' new patented twin turbo star technology is included in this model for the first time. A minor overhaul of the controls and a few added features like presets and a keep warm function are among the other improvements. This newer Philips model contains a fat-reducing plate that fits in the air fryer's bottom. Although the drawer retains its famous star form, the plate is meant to catch excess fat from foods. Combining the starfish design with rapid air circulation achieves the most uniform results. Philips is the most excellent air fryer brand for dependably even cooking, according to experience and reviews. Foods that are cooked outside and not in the center will not cause a problem. When making French fries, for example, all of the fries in the basket will cook uniformly without the need for additional basket shaking. To sum it up, it's a great device for day-to-day use, but as it is Philips, it will also cost you a great price. I go in for $319. On number 4, we have CHEFMAN 5-Quart Digital Air. With the CHEFMAN 5-Quart Digital Air Fryer, you can air fry your favorite comfort foods while using 98% less oil. With 4 quick cooking presets and one-touch digital operation, this air fryer is easy to use. It also has a temperature control range of 200 degF to 400 degF. There's no need to clean up after yourself once you finish cooking. The basket is non-stick, and the pieces can be washed in the dishwasher so that you can get back to your day after a lovely supper. Cleanup is as simple as cooking with the 10 extra air fryer liners included in the box. You can keep your air fryer on your counter even when you're not cooking because it has a lovely matte black finish. It's also easy to store and will fit perfectly in your cabinet. CHEFMAN provides a 1-year warranty and is UL approved with enhanced safety technologies for long-lasting durability, so you can buy confidently. Simply, it is a great thing to buy. It does have a great technology that would help you for a long time. And the best thing about this one is that it is budget-friendly. It is going for $79.99. So if you are searching for something that will go well in your kitchen without crushing your monthly budget, then go with this one. Number 3, we have the COSORI Smart Wi-Fi Air Fryer. It is the most technologically intelligent air fryer on this list. An air fryer is a countertop-sized convection oven that saves electricity and cooks food quickly. They're generally inexpensive and easy to use, which makes them particularly useful in flats and tiny places. They create the Maillard reaction, which gives deep-fried food its distinctive brown outside while keeping the insides wet. Air fryers do this with a fraction of the oil used in deep fryers, making them a healthier option. The setup procedure is simple and straightforward. Simply unpack the device, clean the drawer and basket, plug it in, download the VSync app, and connect to the air fryer. The entire process went without a hitch, which is impressive since smart devices regularly have connectivity issues or require extensive software updates. You can put something on it and then enjoy your time with your family, and you can track your food with the help of the app. In my opinion, these innovative features are really worth it, and in the end, it is not even that much expensive. It is going for $107.98. It is worth the price, so go give it a look. On number 2, we have Ninja AF 161 Max XL Air Fryer. With a maximum temperature setting of 450 Fahrenheit. The new Ninja Air Fryer Max XL takes air frying to the next level. Max Crisp. When cooking frozen items, this temperature is ideal. When frozen French fries, chicken patties, and breaded shrimp are cooked on this Max Crisp setting, they become incredibly crisp and tasty. And unlike deep frying, which requires several cups of oil, using an air fryer only requires a spritz of oil to achieve super crisp results. Thanks to the Ninja Air Fryer Max XL 7 preset functions, you won't have to guess about temperature and time for items like chicken, fries, steak, and pork. Simply press a button, and your meal will be juicy, crisp, and cooked to perfection every time. There are many more benefits, like traditional air frying methods use up to 75% less fat. 3 pounds of French fries or chicken wings fit in the 5.5 QT ceramic-coated non-stick basket and crisper plate. Max Crisp, air fry, air roast, air broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate are among the 7 flexible culinary routines included. Overall, it is a great product to buy, and it is going for just $149.99. Now let's talk about the absolute best. On number 1, we have Instant Vortex plus 10-quart air fryer. It comes with 7-in-1 functions: air fry, broil, bake, roast, dehydrate, reheat, rotisserie, toast, warm, convection oven with little to no oil. You can get all the crunch and softness of deep frying. It also has a top heating element with a fan, offers ideal cooking and baking results. It also comes with the one-touch innovative program, so you can create your own cooking programs for things like quick chicken wings, roasted vegetables, and cinnamon buns. If you want to cook your food quickly, you can use the preheating feature and use the provided trays to prepare many meals simultaneously. You can also adjust the temperature from 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It also holds enough food for growing families, side dishes, appetizers, and rotisserie chicken preparation. It also comes with enough accessories like rotisserie spit and forks, as well as a rotisserie fetch tool. What else you could ask for? This is the absolute best. And this best thing also comes with the best price. It is going for only $99.95. So much in just a small price. Again, I must tell you, links to all these products are in the description, so feel free to check it out. This was all for today. Now you guys tell us in the comments which one of these products impressed you the most. Please like and share, as it will motivate us to create more videos like this. And if you subscribe to the channel if you want to make better choices in life. Until next time, bye-bye.